Today, I am reviewing NEWORK 65-inch 4K smartboard. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Today, we're diving deep into the NEWORK 65-inch 4K smartboard, a cutting-edge interactive whiteboard designed for classrooms, hybrid offices, and collaborative environments. This device isn't just a display. It's a complete digital ecosystem built to transform the way we teach, present, and work. Let's start with design and display. The NEWORK smartboard features a 65-inch 4K UHD display with a crisp resolution of 3,840 by 2160 pixels. That means incredibly sharp images and text, whether you're displaying documents, videos, or interactive lessons. The screen offers an 85% NTSC color gamut and a 178-degree wide viewing angle, so clarity and color consistency remain strong even from off-center positions. The glossy finish adds a sleek professional touch, although it does require occasional cleaning to avoid fingerprints. What really sets this board apart is its touch and interactivity. It features a 50-point multi-touch screen, allowing up to 10 users to write or interact at the same time. This level of multi-user capability makes it perfect for collaborative learning in classrooms or brainstorming sessions in meeting rooms. You can draw, annotate, highlight, and share ideas seamlessly, and the writing experience feels natural and responsive. Under the hood, this smartboard runs on Android 14 OS, making it incredibly smooth and future-proof. With 8 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, multitasking is effortless. You can run multiple apps, switch between tasks without lag, and store documents locally. Plus, this device is Google EDLA certified, giving full access to the Google Play Store, Google Workspace, and the Google Education Suite, a massive plus for schools and businesses looking for a familiar, secure software ecosystem. Another highlight is connectivity. This board supports wireless screen sharing from smartphones, tablets, and laptops. It can connect up to 16 devices at once, making presentations and group collaboration incredibly flexible. No more messy cables or complicated setups. Everything can be done wirelessly with just a tap. Of course, wired connections are still available through HDMI, USB-C, and touch cables, so you have full versatility. For classrooms and offices, this board is a productivity powerhouse. Teachers can deliver interactive lessons, annotate in real time, and share materials instantly. Businesses can use it for collaborative strategy sessions, video conferencing, and interactive presentations. Combined with its built-in teaching tools and annotation software, the NEWORK smartboard delivers a complete, all-in-one solution. It's also worth noting the build quality. This model comes with a robust wall mount, and there's an option for a mobile cart for flexible deployment. The accessories include a touch pen, HDMI cable, USB-C cable, and remote control, everything needed to get started immediately. Finally, the NEWORK smartboard comes with enterprise-grade security and regular OTA software updates, ensuring that your device stays safe and up-to-date. The combination of cutting-edge hardware, powerful software, and intuitive interactivity makes it a standout choice for anyone looking to invest in advanced display technology. In summary, if you need a high-performance smartboard for classrooms or hybrid offices, the NEWORK 65-inch 4K interactive whiteboard is a compelling choice. It blends sharp visuals, multi-user interactivity, robust connectivity, and a secure, flexible software ecosystem, all in one sleek, powerful device. Whether you're upgrading a classroom or transforming your office into a collaborative workspace, this smartboard delivers performance, ease of use, and innovation.